So this one the shortcut to the waterfall,
Yes.
but since it's still rainy season, so the road is still slippery, so
Yeah.
we can use this way.
Yes, so we're gonna go follow this way. Let's go. Yay! This is the second bridge. So, yeah,
We're almost there.
yeah, we almost got the Cunca Wulang.
Yay!
Yay! You excited?
We're finally almost there.
Wow! So pretty, so beautiful. Yay!
Wow.
You can see the waterfall there.
Yeah.
That's from here.